Hello, this is Professor Bharath from Department of AIML, HKBK College of Engineering. In our department, we try to address the problems that are plaguing our society by taking those problems as the problem statements in our projects. We utilize techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence, and utilize relevant technologies and try to address the solutions or give a potential avenue as solutions for these problems. By aiming for quality conferences, quality journals, quality grants, quality patent providers, and international patent providers, we try to work with the students in enhancing their career as well as aiming for the development of our department. We focus not just on theoretical aspects. Traditional theoretical aspects doesn't really mean AIML engineering. AIML engineering is beyond theoretical aspects, practical implementation. An engineer must apply themselves. That is the point of engineering. Here we focus on mini projects, main projects, and beyond the syllabus study. Practical implementation is the driven focus of our department. So our focus aims with the industrial collaborations and research requirements for the students. We do not focus on just producing engineering graduates. We focus on producing engineering citizens, where the knowledge they have gained in the 4 years can be replicated in avenues and applications such as healthcare, finance, business, and automation.